Alam mo, I think ni-research ni Kuya Jun yung buhay ko kasi favorite ko to, walang biro. As in, ito talaga yung craving ko. When I want a happy day, cassava cake is life. So, this is mine. And this can be yours.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jeka!
Happy birthday to you. Talika na.